What's up guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to turn on two-steps verification on your Gmail account. First, you need to head over to your Gmail application right here. So go ahead and tap onto that. Once you're here, you need to tap onto this profile picture right at the top. So go ahead and tap it there. Once you're here, you need to tap on manage your Google account. Once you're here, you need to tap onto where it says security and sign in. So go ahead and tap onto that option there. Once you're here, you'll find two-steps verification just low as you go towards the bottom. So go ahead and tap onto that two-steps verification option there. Once you're here, you need to just scroll down to where you see turn on two-steps verification. And you can also add an authenticator app. You can also add a phone number, of which I walk you through into a separate video for that. So just turn on two-steps verification. So go ahead and hit the blue button that says turn on two-steps verification. Hit skip, and that's it. You've turned on two-steps verification, and just hit that. If I scroll down for proof, it says the two-steps verification are turned on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.